Today I will do my essay assignment about congregation about speaking. And speaking is about congregation prayers. Prayers is a prayer that Rasulullah recommended us to do to get much more good iman than we got from prayers alone. Congregation prayers make us have 7% more than prayers alone. The rules of congregation prayers are the intention of become imam and makmum, the the prayers that we do have to be the same, and we have to be in the same place. If not, that will be not included as the congregation prayers. That's all from me today. I'm sorry if it's too short. Um, I'm gonna parting now. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.